Hello students, good morning. How are you? I think you will be fine and you will be at home. So I also advise you to stay at home, be safe, be healthy. Don't go out from the houses. Students, in this video I am going to explain the first chapter of poetry, The Mountain and the Squirrel. This is the first chapter of class 9th. This poetry is written by R.W. Emerson. You all know that R.W. Emerson stands for Ralph Waldo Emerson. He was born on 25 May 1803 in Boston, Massachusetts. In 1821, he overtook. In 1821, he took over as director of his brother's school for girls. In 1821, he took charge as director of his brother's school for girls. So he became a director of the school for girls. In 1823, he wrote the poem Goodbye. And in 1823, he wrote the poem Goodbye. And in 1832, he became a transcendentalist. Transcendentalist means Antargyanvadi, one who have interest in spiritualism, internal spiritualism, Antargyanvadi, leading to his later essay Self-Reliance. And after this, he wrote an essay Self-Reliance and the American Scholar. This also wrote essay American Scholar. Emerson continued to write and lecture into the late 1870s. He also continued to write essays and stories and till 1870s, and he died on 27th April 1882 in Concord, Massachusetts. So he died on 27th April 1882. So students, you can say that R.W. Emerson was a scholar as and a director of a school, and he was a transcendentalist. Remember this. Uh, this is a you can say quality, or this is a you can say a character of the poet of this chapter. The Mountain and the Squirrel. In this poem, we will study about the mountain and the squirrel. So before starting the poem, first of all, I tell you some things about the chapter as introduction, that the students mountain and the squirrel, one of the thing or one of the object which the poet is going to describe is non-living, and other object is living, and there is uh, not similarity, there is not similarity in both the objects, and both the objects are created by the omnipotent God, by omnipotent God, and both the things or both the objects have different qualities and different values. Here the poet describes that everything in the world, whether it is living or non living, every object has its value, its importance, and its role in the world. The mountain and the squirrel. If we discuss here, the mountain and the squirrel. Mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. Both the objects, mountain and the squirrel, they had a quarrel. Quarrel means dispute. They started quarreling. Mountain and squirrel, they started quarreling. पर्वत और गिलहरी दोनों में क्या हुआ? झगड़ा हो गया. And the farmer called the latter. Farmer means the first. Farmer means पहले वाला. Farmer means mountain. This is the farmer. This is the farmer. The latter is squirrel. पहले वाले ने दूसरे वाले से कहा, बाद वाले से कहा. पहले वाले ने बाद वाले से कहा. Farmer called the latter little prig. The mountain called the squirrel little prig. तुच्छ प्राणी, meaningless thing. The mountain spoke about the squirrel that you are meaningless thing. तुच्छ प्राणी हो. माउंटेन ने स्क्वायरल से क्या कहा? कि तुम तुच्छ प्राणी हो. Bun replied. Bun means here. Bun means squirrel. Squirrel answered. Replied means answer. You are doubtless very big. Bun said, you are doubtless very big. So here U stands for mountain. Mountain. The Bun answered that you are doubtless. There is no doubt that you are very big. But all sorts of things and weather must be taken in together. But all sorts of things. But the squirrel said that all the things and weather and all the weather, there are 4 weathers: rain, spring, summer, winter. All the weather must be taken in together. They being together and then make up a year, and they formed a year. So Bun replied and told the mountain that means every object one by one, by each objects a year is made up. Made up of. Like you can say day, hour, day, month, and weather. In this way, they all being together, it forms a year. सब मिलकर के एक वर्ष बना हुआ है, एक साल बना हुआ है. And a sphere, and in the same way there is a sphere, and it rounds about. There is a cycling, rotation, that the month, each month comes after a year. So there is a rotation or cycling of the year. And I think it no disgrace. Disgrace means shameful act. And I think it no disgrace. There is no disgrace. There is not matter of shame to occupy my place. If I am a squirrel and I have got such a tiny figure or shape, so there is not matter of shame. अगर मुझे इतना छोटा सा आकार मिला हुआ है और मैं तुच्छ हूँ, तो मुझे शर्म नहीं आती है. इसमें मेरे शर्म की बात कुछ नहीं है मेरे लिए. मुझे जैसा स्थान मिला हुआ है, टू ऑक्यूपाई माई प्लेस, मुझे अपना स्थान पा करके मुझे शर्म नहीं लगती है। आई थिंक इट नो डिस्ग्रेस टू ऑक्यूपाई माई प्लेस, मुझे अपना स्थान पा करके मुझे कोई शर्म की बात नहीं लगती है, मुझे कोई शर्म नहीं आती है। इफ आई एम नॉट सो लार्ज एज यू, शी रिप्लाइड बोल्डली दैट इफ आई एम नॉट सो लार्ज एज यू, कि यदि मैं तुम्हारे इतनी बड़ी नहीं हूँ, ये भारी नहीं हूँ, यू आर नॉट सो स्मॉल एज आई, तो तुम भी उतने छोटे नहीं हो जितने की मैं हूँ। She boldly replied that being or getting such a small shape and size, there is no matter of shame for me, because if I am not so large as you, so you are not so small as I, and not half so spry. Spry means active, and you are not 50% spry from me. मुझसे तुम आधे भी चंचल नहीं हो, and not half so spry. You are not spry as I am, as the squirrel is. She said, the squirrel said that you are not so active as I am. I will not deny you make. I shall not deny you make a very pretty squirrel track. The squirrel said, I shall not deny that you provide me path on the mountain. You prepare track for me. A very pretty squirrel track. Pretty means beautiful. Squirrel means that for the squirrel. Track means path or way. The squirrel said that I shall not deny that you provide me track on the back of on your back. You provide me track on your back. मैं इस बात से मना नहीं करूंगी कि तुम मेरे लिए सुंदर सा रास्ता बनाते हो. Now, talents differ. Talents differ. The squirrel said that talents differ. Students, just now I told you that the world is made up of different things, different objects. Every object, whether it is whether a piece of stone, a broken wood, a broken tree, every object has its value on the earth. Because here, from this poem, you can understand talents differ. We have different talents, different qualities. All is well and wisely put, and the God has put everything. God has arranged everything well and wisely. ईश्वर ने हर एक वस्तु को बहुत ही बुद्धिमत्ता पूर्वक और बहुत अच्छी तरह से बनाया हुआ है, एडजस्ट किया हुआ है, उसको सेटअप किया हुआ है. According to the talents, according to the importance, according to the utilization of the object, God has created them. If I cannot carry forests, if I cannot carry forest on my back, neither can you crack a nut. The bun replied that if I cannot forest on my back, if I am not able to grow up forest on my back, if I cannot grow forest on my back, and if I cannot provide shelter on my back, shelter to the birds and animals on my back, neither can you crack a nut. So you cannot crack a nut also. Nut means ek akhroot, a fruit, a hard fruit. So the squirrel said that if I cannot, यदि मैं अपनी पीठ पर जंगल नहीं उगा सकती हूँ, जंगल या पक्षियों को शेल्टर नहीं प्रदान कर सकती हूँ, अपनी पीठ पर जंगलों के माध्यम से जंगलों को उगा करके पक्षियों को शेल्टर नहीं प्रदान कर सकती हूँ, शेल्टर प्रोवाइड नहीं कर सकती हूँ, तो आप भी एक नट या अखरोट को तोड़ नहीं सकते हो। सो द स्क्वायरल taught the mountain that talents are different. There is no one useless. Nothing is useless on the earth. So I hope students you have understood the poem very easily. If not, then please give me answer through the in the WhatsApp. And now we discuss about the uh, uh, passages. The first passage is the mountain dot dot little prick. Who had a quarrel? So you can write here, students, that the mountain and the squirrel had a quarrel. What is meant by little prick? Little prick means you can say that self-satisfied or useless thing. Useless. Little prig means useless or self-satisfied. Who is called little prig and why? The squirrel is called little prig because it has got very small shape and size. So this is the little prig is described here. The squirrel is described here as little prig. The next is Bun replied, "Occupy my place." Who says these lines and to whom? So students, who says these lines? The Bun replied. The Bun replied. So the Bun says these lines, the squirrel says these lines, and to whom? The squirrel says these lines to the mountain. What is the mountain proud of? So students, you can write here. The mountain is proud of its height, its big shape and size. And the next question is, what does the squirrel say to prove its significance and importance? What does the squirrel say to prove its significance and importance? In the passage you can say, you can listen here. Bun replied, "You are doubtless very big, but all sorts of things and weather make up here." So the in order to you can write the answer. What does the squirrel say to prove its significance and importance? In order to prove its significance and importance, the Bun replied that all the things are made up of the uh, each objects or each one each parts, like a year is made up of month, seasons, and days. So in this way you can write the answer. The next is, if I am not a squirrel track, in what ways does the squirrel differ from a mountain? in in what way in what way does the squirrel differ from mountain? So the squirrel is different from the mountain, as the mountain is not as active as the squirrel. You may write the answer in this way. Mountain is not as active as the squirrel. Why is the squirrel not ashamed of its smallness? See, the squirrel is not ashamed of its smallness because it has its significance and its importance in its life. Which quality of squirrel is not possessed by the mountain as per this stanza? So as per this stanza. So first of all we have to go through the stanza. What is the stanza line? Squirrel track. Squirrel track. Yes. Here you are not so small as I, and not so half so spry. I shall not deny you make a very pretty squirrel track. So in order to give the answer, which quality of the squirrel is not possessed by the mountain? The mountain cannot. Which quality of the squirrel is not possessed by uh, the the mountain cannot. What does this say? Hmm. Mountain is not spry. Mountain is not active as the squirrel. According to the stanza, mountain is not as active as the squirrel. This the quality of activeness. The quality of active is not possessed by the mountain. So students, try to write the answer as I have explained, and if you have any problem, then discuss me through the WhatsApp. Thank you.